Announcements. Overview. The Announcements Forum is a special forum for general news and announcements. A course only has one Announcements Forum. Announcements are a versatile and effective one-way communication tool for instructors to give information to their learners. Not only are messages from the instructor archived in a chronological list, typical of any discussion forum, but new postings are also emailed to learners and posted prominently on the latest announcements block if this block is enabled by the instructor. Post delays. When posting to forums or announcements on Onyx, you can expect delayed appearance on the course as the server performs posting updates on a timed cycle. Normally, this is just a few minutes. The Announcements Forum is located at the top of the course. It can be identified by the forum icon. When learners click on the Announcements link, learners see recent news or postings related to the course. In this example, I'll click on the news, Field Trip next week. The full announcement message appears. Note that learners can now click on either of the links to the previous message. Posting news on the Announcements Forum using text. Only instructors and administrators can post on the Announcements Forum. On the course page, I'll click on the Announcements Forum link. I'll click on the button, Add a New Topic. I'll click in the subject text box and type a title for the announcement. Then I'll click in the message text box and type a message for the announcement. You can add an attachment to your post by clicking on the Advance button. You can add an attachment by clicking on the Add button here, or dragging and dropping the file to the Files area. I won't do that now. To finish this task, I'll scroll down and click on the Post to Forum button. The new announcement post is now visible to learners to read. A message appears that advises the poster that editing of the announcement can only be completed within 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, a posting can still be edited, but it will only be revised in the forum. The posting sent by email is not editable. I'll click on the course name in the breadcrumbs menu to return to the course homepage. If the course has a latest announcements block, the subject of the post will appear. Posting news on the Announcements Forum using audio. Instructors can also post media on the Announcements Forum. In this example, the instructor records and posts an audio greeting. On the course page, I'll click on the Announcements Forum link. I'll click on the Add a New Topic button. Then I'll click in the subject text box and type a title for the announcement. I'll click on the Record Audio icon. A digital audio recording widget appears. When you're ready to start recording your voice, click on the Start Recording button. Note, if a pop-up appears, it's most likely asking for permission to use your microphone. Choose the Allow option to continue. This pop-up and the media file player may appear differently based on browser or plugin. When I'm finished recording my message, I'll click on the Stop Recording button. To listen to your recording, click on the Play button. If the recording is satisfactory, click on the Attach Recording button. If not, you can click on the Record Again button. I'll click on Attach Recording. An audio recorder appears in the text box. I'll click on the Post to Forum button to post my audio file. This announcement post is now visible for learners to listen to. The link appears similar to text announcements. After a learner clicks on the announcement post link, the announcement message with audio appears.